Welcome to the March 2023 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, Joe Carthine has faced a lot of challenges becoming a successful solo installer, including a cancer diagnosis in 2021. Find out how he handles these situations, which sometimes means suggesting trusted competitors. Jim Kneisel tells us what the price of hogs has to do with the increase in installers in Idaho. It's a good read, check it out. Advanced monitoring systems are here to stay. So if you're not up to speed on all the latest tech, basic training is a good place to start. Find out how step systems are being installed in Tennessee to help the city of Chattanooga reduce demand on the city's plant. The systems are straightforward, but that doesn't make it an easy job. We catch up with NAWRA member Chris Chapman, who shares with us the best piece of small business advice he's heard. A tax mess in Suffolk County, New York has finally been resolved. Find out what else is going on around the country in rules and regs. Distribution equipment and systems include dosing tanks, effluent pumps, submersible pumps, and control panels. Read about them all in Product Focus. In the spotlight is this aerobic bacterial generator from Sledgehammer. Email editor@onsiteinstaller.com and tell Jim what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you next month.